Hello, this is Willie with Basement Kings. We are in Houston, Texas, where we're checking one of our basements. On the inside, water is pretty much staying dry, but once in a while, water seems to be rising over the top of the wall, which is not the norm. And we just crawled into the crawl space where we can see where our our secondary sumps are. And this is considered a mini well, where there's a drain on the outside, and you can see it's connected to the black pipe, which is connected to our pipes running around the bottom of the basement on the exterior. And you'll see water. See all this water on the outside? Why is this water? It's because the outlet have tripped. What makes the outlet trip? Two things. Number one, there is no backup on this system. And that is what saves this type of system. The secondary reason is because the electrician was a little lazy, and what they did was they tied this circuit, which is supposed to be on a dedicated circuit, they tied it to a regular outlet. So when someone was inside and they turned on the hair blower, it tripped the switch, and this switch did not come back, because sometimes they don't. So someone would have to warn them that they have to go into the circuit breaker box, turn it off and turn it back on, and tell them which one it was on, which is not the norm, and it's just not going to happen. So what we're going to have to do is make sure that this line is a dedicated circuit like it was supposed to be. And number two, make sure that a backup is on this system, is because you can see all that water. That is not the norm. But in a system like this area floods, and we've just noticed that if the area is going to flood, you're going to have a backup on it. So let's fix all the problems and call it a day. Let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.